Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Just Try. Here I am Dr. Anurada Shaha in front of you all with another video on accounting terms. A very important accounting term that we will be discussing here today, that is goods or stock or inventory. When we say a particular item to be inventory, when we say a particular item to be a stock, so let us understand that, and when a stock becomes a non-stock item, we will be studying about that also. So let us study these things in detail in this video.
So let us start the discussion on what is inventory. Inventory refers to the goods and materials that a business holds for the purpose of resale or production. It is a current asset on a company's balance sheet because it is expected to be sold or used within 1 year or within the company's operating cycle, whichever is longer. Now, inventory can be classified into 3 types of inventory. 1, raw materials. Number 2 is WIP or work in progress, and number 3 is finished goods. So first let us talk about raw materials. These are the basic materials and components that are used to produce finished goods. For manufacturing companies, raw materials are the starting point of the production process. Examples include wood for a furniture manufacturer, steel for an automotive company, and fabric for a clothing manufacturer. Work in progress. This category includes items that are in the process of being manufactured but are not yet complete. Work in progress inventory consists of raw materials, labor, and overhead costs that have been applied to partially finished products. Examples include partially assembled machinery, unfinished garments in a clothing factory, partially completed construction projects. Next, we come to finished goods. Finished goods are completed products that are ready to sell to the customers. These items have gone through the entire production process and are ready to be delivered to the end user or retailer. Examples include completed cars in an automotive factory, packaged and ready to ship electronics, fully assembled furniture. Now let us talk about an interesting topic that suppose I consider furniture. Now, how can a furniture be considered inventory for a particular businessman? And again, how can that furniture itself become a fixed asset for another businessman? Let's look into it. Now, say suppose I am a furniture store owner. So, a businessman who owns a furniture store, the table, chair, sofa in the store are inventory, because they are intended to be sold to the customers. The businessman will track these items as current assets and manage them to optimize the sales and turnover. And say, suppose I am a law firm owner. So, a businessman who owns a law firm, the desk, the chairs, the filing cabinets of the office, these are the fixed assets, because they are used to conduct the firm's operations. The businessman will record these items as fixed asset, depreciate them over time, and focus on their utility and maintenance rather than resale. So, by understanding the context and purpose of the furniture within each business, it will help you to determine whether it is classified as an inventory or a fixed asset, which in turn affects how it is accounted for in the financial statements. So I hope you can understand that a particular item furniture, that was a fixed asset for a law firm owner, and a current asset, that means inventory for a furniture store owner.
So I hope you all will not be facing any issue further to understand that which item is a good and which item needs to be written when we say that please write down which item is a goods item, or please write down what is stock in trade, or what is inventory in stock. So I hope it is more or less clear to all of you that what is a stock and what is what is a inventory. So if you have liked the video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos on accounting information and accounting terms. Thank you.